Hey, to perform factory reset on Samsung Galaxy M15 5G by using the settings, so for sure we have to open the settings. Now we have to scroll down, select General Management. From this, scroll down again, select Reset, scroll down and select Factory Data Reset. So now you will actually get information about everything that you are going to remove from your phone. It's also very useful to remove SD card and the SIM card from your phone. And remember to perform the backup. Then you have to scroll down, select Reset. Now we have to input your screen lock method. And from this, remember to delete all. And after this, you will have to actually confirm this reset by inputting the Samsung account code. But if you are not using Samsung account, you will actually get, your smartphone will be turned off and this hard reset process will start. It will take probably around few minutes. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.